given is follow a grade student for API keychain to sell during their school foundation. Each keychain costs 35 pesos to make. We mark up the price by 60% and added a 12% VAT. On his last day, he offered a 20% discount to attract more buyers. He successfully sold 60% and 60 keychains. The question is, what is the selling price before VAT? The answer is 35 times 60 equals 21. Yung 60, galing siya dito sa 60%. Yung 35, ito yung price, yung cost ng keychain. So, 35 plus 21 equal 56. Next question. What is the VAT amount? The answer is 56 times 0.12. Yung 0.12, this is the VAT amount. The equal is 6.72. Question number 3. What is the final selling price after VAT discount? The answer is 56 plus 6.72. Yung 6.72 galing siya dito sa VAT amount. 56 plus 6.72 equals 62.72. 62.72 times 0.80. The 0.80, at yung 20%, ima-minus siya sa 1. So, the equal is 50.176. How much is the profit per keychain? The answer is 50.176 minus 35. The equal is 15.176. What is the total profit? The total profit. The total profit is 15.176 times 60. Yung 15.76 is galing sa profit per keychain. Ito yung kita niya kada keychain. Ang kabuuan ng kita niya is 910.56.
May tanong ako. 35 times 60 equals 21. Sa taas.
0.60 yan, 0.60.
0.60.
0.60.
0.60. 0.60.